Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Vivo V23 to an Android device. You need to start by exiting Play Store on both of them and installing free app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Now from this screen here you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now we need to do exactly the same on an Android. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Following that you need to select send on Vivo and receive on Android smartphone. Then tap on all of those dots and choose send. This way you will select all of those and transfer them later on. It will take some time though, so I will go with only one file. Choose send and click on got it. Over here on an Android, choose no thanks, click on close this window, and as you can see we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android, selecting while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and select receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!